Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a punch in and out using Google Forms step by step. This is a simple and effective way to track employee work hours without using expensive software. Whether you're managing a small business, tracking freelance work, organizing a remote team, or simply looking for an easier way to record attendance, Google Forms can help you create a clean and organized time tracking system in just a few minutes. The best part is that everything is connected to Google Sheets automatically, making it easy to review hours, monitor submissions, and keep records organized. So let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Google Drive, click on the New button located on the left side of the screen. From the menu, go to Google Forms and select Blank Form. This will create a new empty Google form that you can customize as your employee timesheet. Now, give your form a clear title like Employee Timesheet, Punch In and Punch Out Tracker, or Weekly Work Hours Form. You can also add a short description explaining how employees should fill out the form. Next, start adding the important fields your employees will need to complete. Begin with a name field, so you know who submitted the response. For this, you can use the short answer type. After that, add a date field. This allows employees to select the day they are reporting their hours for. Keeping dates organized is very important when reviewing attendance later. Now, let's add the punch in and punch out sections. Create one question for start time and another for end time. Set both question types to time so Google Forms automatically provides a proper time selector. This makes the form easier to complete and reduces mistakes because employees won't need to type the time manually. You can also add another question for the type of work hours worked. For example, you can create a drop-down or multiple-choice question with options like regular hours, overtime, sick leave, vacation, holiday, or unpaid leave. This helps you categorize work hours more accurately and makes reporting much easier later. Another helpful idea is to add a confirmation checkbox with a statement like, "I confirm these hours are accurate to the best of my knowledge." This can help improve accountability and reduce incorrect submissions. You should also make important questions required. For example, the employee name, date, start time, and end time should all be marked as required fields to prevent incomplete submissions and keep your records clean and organized. Once your form is ready, click on the Preview button at the top right corner to test everything. Make sure the time fields work correctly and confirm that all required questions behave as expected.